first yogurt I've eaten, hindi ako pala kain ng yogurt. Lahat ng yogurt na na-try ko, inayawan ko. Pero ito, proof na masarap po. Try nyo, Frogurt.
Napakasarap po talaga.
Very yummy po itong Frogurt na to.
Yummy siya, masarap talaga.
I think recommendable siya kasi yung combination po ng yogurt and fruits po is parang good po for health. I tried the charcoal yogurt. Very interesting flavor. Very good. Very healthy. You should try it. Go with yogurt.
Very good taste, good for diabetic, and yummy.
There are lots of choices for the toppings and I prepared strawberry, of course, my favorite. So yummy and healthy. Talagang you should try it and I really love the taste. Not so sweet because you are the one to make your own toppings for the sweetness that you prepared.